Hello, good morning, students. Today is transcription number 162 on the speed of underwords per minute. Start. Sir, the Honorable Finance Minister has told us why he has thought fit to bring these finance bills in the middle of the year. The plan contemplated a tax of about rupees 400 crores, and now that the finance minister does not want to take recourse to deficit financing, naturally the tax has got to be increased, and it now comes to about rupees 1300 crores. Therefore, money must come from wherever it can be had, and some sort of tax has to be imposed. Now, the proposals have to be examined from that point of view. Some people have acclaimed the proposals as very necessary and well considered, while others have found ground for criticizing them. Whatever may be the taxation measures, if they are applied properly and with sympathy, even measures which are not liked can be made to be appreciated and less objected to. I have no doubt, as the finance minister himself said, that he will see that the measures are sympathetically administered, and if that is done, most of the objections that might be and have been put forward to the proposals would be removed. As you may remember, when the 5-year plan was discussed in this house and in the other house, some of the members felt that perhaps a very optimistic view might have been taken of the resources that may be available for carrying out the 5-year plan. Even now, people feel that the plan has got to be implemented, and a lot depends on the implementation of the plan. But the question is, have we taken note correctly of the resources that are available, and have we not overestimated and taken rather an optimistic view? But implementation of the plan will not be very much affected if instead of 5 years, a few more months are taken to implement it. What I mean to say is, if the resources are not sufficient to carry out the plan in 5 years, there is no harm in increasing the period by a few months so that there may not be a very heavy strain on our resources, and so that things may not go wrong on account of the heavy strain that may be put thereon. Another thing that can be looked into very conveniently is whether or not a certain amount of savings can be effected